On-machine verification adds inspection capability to Fusion 360 to check the accuracy of machine parts while they are still on the machine. Surface inspection checks the accuracy of free-form surfaces, potentially removing the need for a coordinate measuring machine, or CMM. Import the results from the machine control to create an inspection report and visually compare the results to the nominal CAD surface. Probe geometry verifies dimensions and positions of critical features, like bores and faces. Control probe motion with over-travel and clearance parameters, and set tolerances for feature position and size. Define actions to be taken, like stopping with a message if measurements are out of tolerance, updating tool wear parameters, or printing probing results. Surface inspection and probe geometry streamline your verification process, helping you ensure part precision. Steep and shallow is a single toolpath to finish machine feature-rich, freeform parts, available as both a 3-axis and simultaneous 5-axis strategy. Steep and shallow combines the strengths of traditional 3D finishing toolpaths by automatically detecting surface slope and applying the appropriate strategy. Smooth out transitions with control over the overlap distance and threshold angle. Choose from scallop or parallel to finish shallow areas and enable continuous passes for contour and scallop. Easily set the step over and cut direction in a single location. Each shallow strategy has added intelligence to increase surface finish quality and tool life. Parallel pass direction is automatically determined for each region, decreasing transitional moves. Wall clearance ensures there are no tool marks on adjacent steep walls. Smooth offsets for scallop passes round sharp corners to improve machine motion, reducing dwell marks on the finished part. Cusps left behind along toolpath corners are automatically detected and removed to further refine the final surface. Advanced pass ordering options give you further control over the final toolpath. Use automatic 5-axis tilting to cut with shorter, more rigid tools to reduce chatter and improve surface finish. Fusion will automatically tilt the tool when an interference is detected, avoiding collisions with the tool or the holder. Use lead, lag, and side tilting parameters to improve cut conditions where the tool meets the material, creating a high-quality surface and reducing tool wear. Cut to or from a point or curve to optimize the strategy for the geometry of your parts, with tool axis limits for greater control. Whether you're looking to optimize 3-axis finishing, automatically generate 5-axis toolpaths, or take fine control of the lead and lag angles, steep and shallow is a safe and reliable strategy to reduce programming time while improving surface quality. Ever generated a toolpath where everything looks great, except that one little area? Now you're faced with troubleshooting the toolpath itself, possibly even creating additional geometry to make a minor repair to a largely good toolpath. Toolpath editing allows you to make those minor repairs without the additional geometry, fussing with parameters, or even regenerating the whole toolpath. Draw a polygon around the problem area, keep the toolpath inside or outside of the polygon, and Fusion only recalculates the required leads and links. Add or remove points to make the polygon as accurate as you need. Alleviate your programming headaches and increase your programming efficiency with simple toolpath edits in a fraction of the time. Whether you have a bolt-on rotary or full 4-axis mill-turn machine, you need a way to unlock the potential it can add to your process. Full 4-axis rotary allows the machining of freeform components with several pass options to best fit your part geometry. Set angle limits using a clear visual interface from point to point or by inputting an exact angle. Offset the tool for improved cut conditions, making the most of your machine's capabilities with the same easy-to-use interface. Verify 4-axis toolpaths with stock simulation, and find the right post processor for your rotary or machine in our extensive post library. All this and more in Fusion 360. Drilling holes, one of the simplest operations in terms of machine motion, is often a long and repetitive programming task. Hole recognition in Fusion 360 provides an automated workflow for manufacturing holes. It groups similar holes to minimize the number of operations, matches customizable templates to recognized hole profiles, selects appropriate tools for each operation, and orders the resulting operations to minimize tool changes. View and edit the detected hole profiles to optimize the resulting toolpath. Multi-axis support means holes at all angles are recognized, but it's easy to limit results based on setup alignment. Create custom hole templates to capture your process and easily apply it. Hole recognition automates and optimizes drilling operations to turn a tedious task into productivity.